children, welcome to the science subject. Okay, this is the third standard, third lesson. The name of the lesson is Space World. Okay, in this video we will discuss the some points of this lesson. Okay, let us start. What is the space? The space is present beyond the earth atmosphere, that is called space. That is called space. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air which is called atmosphere. Yes, behind this layer the space exists. Earth has gravity. Yes, what is gravity? Earth has gravity through which is pulls everything towards it, that is called gravity. Space has no gravity, thus astronauts float in the space. In the space there is no gravity because there is no air, there is no water, that's why there is no gravity there. Next one. Earth has force of gravity. We cannot get out from Earth atmosphere easily. We can go into space with the help of a space rocket. It is not easy to get out from the Earth atmosphere easily there. Why? Because the Earth has the force of gravity. That's why we cannot get out from Earth atmosphere. Yes, we have to wear one special suit, that is space suit. And also we can go into space with the help of a space rocket. Okay, then the next, the conditions on the moon. The moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. On the moon there is no atmosphere and gravity and water and the light also. Yes, on the moon the some craters there, the craters on moon surface. Yes, what is the craters? Large holes are present on moon surface which are called craters. Yes, look at the picture there. These are the craters. These are the large holes are present on moon surface. These are called the craters. And we weight almost 1/6 of our weight on the moon. On the moon, it has the less gravity than the earth. That's why the weight of our almost 1/6 of our weight on the moon. Our weight will be almost 1/6 of our actual weight on the moon. For example, if we weight 60 kg on the earth, then it will become 10 kg on the surface of the moon. The 1/6 of our weight on the moon. Why? Because the moon has less gravity than the earth. Next point, the man on the moon. From these guys are from guys are Russian guys. The first man who stepped on the moon was Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and third one the Michael Collins. In 1969, by the spacecraft named as Apollo 11, they are traveled to the space. Next, the space travel. Astronauts go into the space in a spacecraft. They wear special spacesuits which have proper supply of oxygen. These suits protect them from injuries. Next, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel to space, two Indian space women, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, made India proud. The first Indian, the Rakesh Sharma, and the two more guys there, the Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. Next, who is the Kalpana Chawla? The Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut and the first woman of the Indian origin to travel into space. She went into space for the first time in 1997 in the Space Shuttle Columbia. The name of the rocket, that is STS-87. In second time, in 2003, she took her second and last flight into the space as unfortunately she lost her life due to technical failure of the spacecraft Columbia STS-107. The Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut and the first woman of the Indian origin to travel into space. She lost her life due to technical failure of the spacecraft Columbia STS-107. The Sunita Williams is also an American astronaut and the second woman of the Indian origin to travel into space. She took her flight in the space shuttle for discovery. Next, new words there, the gravity, space rocket and craters. Yes, what is the gravity? What is the space rocket and what is craters? We discuss in the lesson. Yes, hello children, welcome to the science subject. Okay, this is the third standard, third lesson. The name of the lesson is Space World. Okay, in this video we will do the exercise part of this chapter. Okay, let us start. The first, the warm-up activity. Read the question first. Look at the pictures. Tick correct those which can be a part of space and cross those which cannot. So there are some pictures. So we have to choose which one is the part of a space. The first one, the astronaut. Yes, this is a part of space. Okay, tick the correct. The next one, moon. Okay, this is also part of a space. Third one, bat. This is not the part of a space. The fourth one, a cup of tea. This is not part of the space. The last one, that is rocket. This is a part of space. The next, checkpoint. Tick the correct answers. The first one, we weigh less or same or more on moon. The answer is less. Underline the word. Otherwise, tick the correct. We weigh less on moon. The second one, we use car or bicycle or space rocket to travel into the space. Okay, the answer is space rocket. Let's underline the space rocket word. We use space rocket to travel into the space. The third one, craters are present on Earth or Moon or Mars. The craters are present on Moon. Okay, the exercise part. A. State true or false. The first one, space has no force of gravity. Yes, the statement is true. Second one, atmosphere is present on the moon. False. Why? Because there is no atmosphere present on the moon. Third one, Kalpana Chawla traveled in a spacecraft named Apollo 11. False statement. Why? Because the Kalpana Chawla traveled in a spacecraft named Columbia STS-107. The fourth one, Neil Armstrong was the first man who stepped on the moon. Yes, the true statements. They are the three men who were stepped on the moon. The second question, match the following. In the A column, there are the four words: the Sunita Williams, Neil Armstrong, Earth, Kalpana Chawla. Next, in the B column, there are also four words: the Apollo 11, Gravity, Discovery, Columbia. So we have to choose which one match to the correctly. Sunita Williams, Discovery, Neil Armstrong, Apollo 11, Earth, the Earth has the gravity, Kalpana Chawla, she is from Columbia. The Kalpana Chawla, she was from Columbia. Next, C question, answer the following questions, short answer questions. First one, what is a space rocket? Answer, space rocket is a vehicle used to travel in space. Second question, write the names of astronauts who traveled in the spacecraft. Answer, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. These are the three astronauts who traveled in the spacecraft. The third one, what do we call the large holes that are present on the space of the moon? That is called as craters. The fourth one, why do astronauts wear space suits? Answer, astronauts wear special spacesuits which have proper supply of oxygen. These suits protect them from injuries. Okay, the next question, long answer questions. First question, in the long answer question, how is the Earth different from the moon? Answer, Earth has atmosphere present on its surface, whereas moon does not. Second one, what would happen to our weight on moon? Answer, our weight will be almost 1/6 of our actual weight on the moon. The third one, who was Kalpana Chawla? How did she die? Answer, Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut and the first woman of the Indian origin to travel into space. She lost her life due to technical failure of the spacecraft Columbia STS-107. Fourth one, why does the Earth pull everything towards its center? Answer, Earth pulls everything towards its center due to the force of gravity. Okay, this is the exercise part of the third lesson. Let's complete the fear. Thank you.